Good morning guys and welcome to today's vlog! I've been wanting to say that for a while. Okay, so I have to be in the airport in a couple of hours because I have to be there a couple of hours earlier than usual because I have that suitcase, but I also have that suitcase. And I'm not gonna pay for 2 suitcases. I'm going to England. I'm not gonna pay for 2 suitcases for 5 days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring that one and then I'm gonna leave this one in storage in Delhi airport. So I need to repack them, so all the clothes and the things I think I would need has to fit in this suitcase. I'm about to check out and leave for the airport. From here it's about 315 rupees with an Uber.
One eternity later.
Made it to the airport and I was told that by the metro station there is a left baggage, so it's a baggage storage. Have to see if I can find it, and then hopefully it's the same price as given online, otherwise that would suck, but should find out in a couple of minutes. I got my bag stored, so it was around 25 kilos and I'm having it stored for a week, and that was about 4,200 Indian rupees, which is the equivalent of about 50 euros, which for my Filipino viewers would be around 3,000 Filipino pesos if I'm not mistaken. Rather than paying for 2 suitcases to go to London is where I'm going. I decided to pay the small amount to get it stored instead. I thought that was better because I'm not gonna need all my stuff while I'm in the UK anyway, so I thought that was the best decision. So I'm kind of interested to see what they're gonna say, the customs, because I've only been in India for 1.5 days and now I'm flying half across the world. But I mean, I can prove I have a ticket out and back, so it should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Alright, so the security control personnel didn't say anything. They just, checked the numbers like they're supposed to do and then gave me my stuff back. So now I gotta find the Pakistan International Airline check-in desk. The check-in desk opens 3 hours before takeoff, which would be in 1.5 hours. So I have plenty of time to go find some food because I'm so freaking hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. And I've been up for, I think, 4 hours. As usual, we were off to a great start. The check-in counter should have opened half an hour ago, and they just told me that they're gonna open in 15 minutes. Alright, finally got the tickets. There's no issues at check-in, luckily. So, yeah, now I just gotta get through security, immigration, and hopefully they won't say anything to the fact that, about the fact that I've only been in the country for 2 days. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, I made it through immigration. I actually had to wait because when I went up to the counter and then he couldn't scan my boarding pass apparently. I was too early even though it was only 2 hours before my flight departures. So yeah, I waited for like 5 to 10 minutes and then I went through. And I actually noticed that because I've started to open my backpack with all my batteries and all that stuff, my carry-on, then they don't ask any questions basically. So ever since I started doing that, they haven't tested my bag once. So I think I'm gonna continue doing that. That's a great tip. So I got 1.5 hours until my flight leaves. So I'm gonna try to edit the vlog, and I always try to maximize my effort, so I always try to multitask if I can. So if I have even a couple of minutes where something is rendering, then I'm gonna do some other work just because I have so much work to do all the time. Right, so yeah, anyways, gotta find the gate, a place that has a wall outlet so I can plug in my laptop and start hustling.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude.
Okay, so I was actually thinking, I want you guys to think about a dream destination. Like, if money was no issue, which place would you visit? Comment below. Quick update. The plane is 1 hour delayed. Like, the 19 hours wasn't enough. Well, I guess it doesn't matter if I wait an hour extra here or 19 hours in Pakistan. It should be the same.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make
So I've never tried this before, but they were taking my bag before I got on the plane, and also they were frisking me. So like I've never tried to be patted down outside the airplane, but I don't know if it's the whole relationship thing between Pakistan and India, but yeah, it's all good. Now I think it's 1.5 hour flight to Pakistan and then a 19-hour layover. Now I just gotta wait for, I don't know, 18 hours or something. So I think our flight leaves at 12 tomorrow, so noon. Oh well, got plenty of time to hustle and edit. So we just got into the lounge area in Lahore airport in Pakistan, and I'm freaking speechless. So at first I was a bit like because we were told to, as soon as we entered the building, we were told to sit on some seats, and then we waited for 10 minutes, handed over our passports, and we were just sitting there. And then our guide, he told us to come this way, so we had to pick up our suitcases. I've met these lovely British people. So we had to scan our bags, and I was told that I did not need to pick up my suitcase before London. Anyways, so we scanned the bags, went through upstairs, a nice lounge area, and with a water dispenser for free. My European charger works in the wall outlets here apparently, which is great, and I can vlog no problem. The guy was so nice, and now he told us that he's gonna issue us dinner coupons so we get free dinner here because our flight is tomorrow. Like I'm speechless. I don't know what's going on. This is so amazing. So far I can definitely recommend Lahore airport. This is awesome. Alright, the pressure's on. The locals want to hear his music.
One eternity later.
Alright, so they just brought us dinner. We got fresh water, pancake or something like that, and some fries, and a cookie something. Man, it's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down because I'm really hungry. Alright, just a quick update on the food situation. It was rice with chicken, so really good. I don't know the spice though, but yeah, it was really good. And then there was like a pancake type thing, also really good. And then we had like butter cookies, really good, delicious dessert. And now we're actually trying to get some alcohol, so we can get drunk. No, we're not getting drunk. We're just a bit tipsy. Good way to spend 19 hours, eh? Morning, guys. It is 6:30 here in. Sorry, it's 6:30 here in Pakistan, and I actually had a really comfortable sleep. except for the lights being on all night, and then the woman speaking on the speakers all the time. That was really annoying, but these seats here are really comfortable, and the Brits are looking like they're comfortable in their in their sleeping bags. Anyways, I still got like 4 hours before we need to go to the gate and stuff, so I wanna hustle a bit on the laptop so I can upload stuff and just prepare some work for later for when I get internet. Always trying to make the best of it, trying to hustle, work more, hustle more. Okay, so it's 6:45 and they just brought breakfast. We got some toast and an omelet and a juice. And then I was talking to one of the security guards. His name is Kisar. He's a very nice guy. He actually gave me his WhatsApp number, so I'll text him when I get to England with the Wi-Fi. He asked me if I wanted some tea, so I just got tea. So it's very nice. I love it here. Pakistan is awesome. Okay, it is 7:50 and we just had a guy come in telling us that we could go check in like half an hour because the check-in counter is open. So we're just packing up our stuff, getting ready, and it makes no sense that I have a hat and sunglasses on, but hey, I don't care. And then we have, I think, is it 8 or 9 hours, the flight? 8-hour flight, but it should be good. And I'm working on some new projects because I don't have internet here, so I had to come up with something to spend my time on. So yeah, thought I had a great idea, so I'm going for it to see if it works out or not. So we had to go out through security, scan our bags. Of course, they were tearing apart my bag, my small backpack, because of all the batteries. They were so nice about it. They were just being curious, basically, and then they told, okay, you can go ahead. So when we went by before the check-in, we got stopped by some security guards. They were like, oh, what are you doing here? Where are you coming from? Then when we explained we come from India, the guy was like, oh, India, that's our enemy. I was like, oh shit. Nah, but he was just asking us like what we're doing here and what we're doing for work and stuff. So freaking funny. And yeah, he was like being serious but also funny about it. They were really nice. So we had a good laugh and they let us go. So now we're at the check-in counters, but we're actually waiting for our passports. So they told us that they should be here in like 10 minutes from the immigration office. So I hope so. And we had to explain them like 3 times that we've stayed here overnight. We haven't actually gone out into Pakistan. So yeah. Hope I get my passport soon. Otherwise it's just floating around Pakistani airport. Alright, we made it through security. That was really funny. They checked our bags again. They actually didn't open my bag. We just had to scan it. And then the guy who frisked me, he was like talking about where I was from, and then he started asking me about a piano. I don't know what that was about. I actually thought I misheard him, but yeah, you said you got the same question. That's a bit rude. What Dunkin' Donuts? Where? Oh, they've got Dunkin' Donuts in Pakistan. What the hell? Oh, I love Pakistan. I'm definitely going back here. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, life goals. I'm definitely going back to Pakistan. Like, I want to go into the country itself, actually. So we found Wi-Fi here in Lahore airport. I haven't been online since I was in India, so it's about maybe 30 hours, 36 hours or something. And I just got flooded with messages and comments on my YouTube channel and my Instagram. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. I will still be traveling, so I don't know how long I will have Wi-Fi. So I will try to do my best to answer as quickly as possible, like usual, but please bear with me. If I don't answer within the next couple of hours, then it's because I am on the flight, so I will answer when I get to the UK. Again, thank you so much, guys. It means the world to me. Actually, I was just thinking you're gonna see this too late because I will already be in the UK. But anyways, I still mean what I'm saying. It means the world to me, and as always, write me as many comments as you want. I love it. I love communicating with you guys, and I'll respond as fast as I can, as always. Thank you so much, guys. This is my new friend. He works here in the airport in Lahore.
I can't do anything. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm definitely no, I can't. I'm gonna ruin your video.
No, you come. No, come.
I can't do anything.
No, come. Group. Okay. हो कार दी शराब नाल महंगी फ्रूटियां दा मैं ताकत दिखाड़ा भी मड़ाया नी हो की सुनाओ दसो जट वाली बात जिन्ने पट दा सराणा कदे लाया नी ओ की सुनाओ ओ की सुनाओ दसो जट वाली बात जिन्ने पट दा सराणा कदे लाया नी हो कार दी शराब नी ते महंगी फ्रूटियां दा मैं ताकत दिखाड़ा भी मड़ाया नी.
Alright, so they just called us to the flight. So head off. Alright, thank you so much.
Anything else?
No, thank you. Should be good. Alright, made it onto the plane, and I gotta find my seat. Found it. Alright, after almost 9 hours on a flight from Pakistan, I'm finally on British soil. Now I just gotta get my bag, and then I have to see if I can figure out where the rental car is. I have no clue because I don't have any internet, so yeah. Because they told me to read the label or the paragraph with how to pick up the car, but I couldn't find it, and then I lost internet, so should be pretty interesting. Alright, I made it through security, and I just picked up a UK SIM card with 6 GB data on it. It was 25 quid, so I think that's alright. I'm connected with 4G. Man, this is so freaking depressing. I've been waiting for half an hour for our luggage, and I've seen the same stuff coming around like 6 times. This freaking sucks, and I have a 5-hour car ride, and I haven't even found out where my car is yet. Okay, we got 10 minutes until the bus leaves, or arrives, I guess. And not sure how long the bus ride is to the car rental place, and then we have 4 to 5 hours, I think 3 hours to her place, because I'm dropping her off. She missed her bus because of our luggage came in late, so yeah, I was being nice. And then I got like a couple hours down to Cornwall to meet my old friend, so it should be a long evening. Alright, got the car, finally! And yeah, she's about to type in her address in the GPS, and then we're good to go. It's actually a really nice car. It cost me £32, and then I decided to pay for the insurance even though that was expensive. I'd rather be covered against small scratches and stuff because I've been unlucky with that in the past. So, anyways. So we're in a bit of a hurry, so I don't really have time to vlog much. So I'll see you guys there.